Tired of tediously editing the same group of images over and over? Today, we're diving into the power of variable actions in Adobe Photoshop, your secret weapon for rapid-fire batch editing. First, open the Actions panel. If you don't see it, go to the Window menu and select Actions. Click the Create New Action button. Name your action. Choose a set if you have one, and decide on a function key shortcut if you'd like. Click Record. Now, Photoshop is watching. Perform the exact edits you want to apply to all your images. This could be anything: adjusting color, applying filters, resizing, or adding text. Once you've completed your edits, stop the recording by clicking the Stop button in the Actions panel. Open a new image. Select your newly created action in the Actions panel. Then click the Play button. Photoshop will prompt you to insert your variable options here. You will modify the individual images. Congratulations! You've just automated your editing workflow. By using variable actions, you can save loads of time and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy editing.